I feel some heaviness on my chest. So let's transmute it together. So what I basically do is I open my crown chakra and I let light of pure consciousness pour into my system, pour into my body, and then feeling empowered and refreshed by that, I go into the parts of my body with my attention that feel heavy and that feel dense. And whenever I need more light, I can downlight some more and go there and dissolve some more. And basically this is how I transmute density. So let's do it together, shall we? Join me. Downloading some more light. Whew, yeah. What I do is basically I pulsate light into the density, into the wounds, into the sensation of heaviness. I download that light and I go into the heaviness and I feed that light to the density. Now immediately I feel some of the heaviness uplift from my chest, and I feel called to go into my root chakra where I feel density at this point. So let's do that. We're downloading some light again, letting it pour through the crown portal. And now we go into the place of density, wherever that is in my body or in your body. We're all one. That was a Freudian slip. Okay, so I'm going to my root chakra, which is where the tailbone is, the base of the spine. I'm going there. I hope the music is not too loud. I'm chilling at the park on a bench and they're playing music publicly from these speakers high up. Actually no, it's not too loud, but hopefully it's okay for you. lifting some density in the solar plexus area, above the belly button and below the rib cage. And coming back to the chest. Feel free to follow your inner knowing and your own internal guidance. Ooh. Well, I felt my right ear randomly shut close. Completely randomly. I know the ears are governed by the throat chakra, so we can go there if we feel encouraged to do that, which I do. And now back to the solar plexus. The solar plexus deals with our ability to stand in light, with our ability to be seen, to be visible, and to be in the limelight if necessary. The higher heart chakra. Ooh, that was quite a whistle. The higher heart chakra, where I felt density in the beginning and where I feel a light degree of density now, governs the theme of love. Are we able to receive love? Are we able to give love, express love? Are we able to detect love in the first place? Some deep questions you could ponder on. I saw strangers passing by, and I felt a surge of anxiety in this area. This area of our body governs the sensation, the knowing of whether we are accepted or not. This area governs whether we feel accepted or not. And sometimes we feel rejected by our environment, but also we could internalize that feeling and start rejecting ourselves. So what I encourage you to do right now is I encourage you to download some more light. Focus on the area of your heart. You could focus on the middle of your chest, or higher. You could focus here, as I do. It's up to you. And tell yourself. You could do it aloud, or you could just use your internal voice. Tell yourself, I completely accept myself. Tune into your heart and repeat after me. I completely accept myself. I completely accept myself. I completely accept myself. I completely accept myself. And see what sensations, what feelings, what thoughts come up. Let them come up, let them rise, and let them go their own course. Let them pass. So let's download some more light. And let's tune back into the heart. Let's tune back into our heart chakra here, or our higher heart, whichever you please. And feel free to repeat after me. Repeat after me. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. How do you feel? It's one of the most courageous things I've ever done in my life. It is a very bold thing for me to say. So, feel free to tell me how that experience is for you. I just had a person interrupt the session. It's a person I've met in the past. I've helped out before, and he reached out, said hi. I said hi back, and he asked whether I would like to get something in return. I said, yeah, no biggie. Either way, I hope this was helpful to you. I allow it to be as unstructured as it is, and I love you.